Ladies, welcome to today's quick but energizing yoga session. If you're experiencing fatigue during menopause, this practice is designed especially for you. In just 10 minutes, we'll move through energizing sun salutations and low lunge to get your energy flowing. This is a great way to boost your mood, shake off that sluggish feeling, and get back to feeling like yourself again. Grab your yoga mat and let's get started. All right, let's start in a seated position. You can kneel like this, you can sit cross-legged, sit on something elevated if you want to, and we're going to begin with breath of fire. Breath of fire is an energizing breath. Do this breathing technique anytime you are feeling tired, you need to perk up a little bit. This is the key, okay? And this is really just an introduction to the breath, so we're going to do 3 rounds of 10, but as you continue to move through, you can do more repetitions of the breath and more rounds of the breath if you want to. So the way that this breath works is we breathe in and out of the nose at a quick pace, but the exhale is forced out of the nose, almost like you're blowing into a tissue. And as you like blow it out, you're pulling your belly in. So like this. And then instead of inhaling back in, you just let whatever happens happen. It's just a natural inhalation back in. So you don't have to make any effort at all as you inhale, okay? So we'll do 3 rounds of 10. The first round might be trial and error if this is new for you, okay? And then the next 2 rounds, you can ease into it a little bit better, all right? Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out halfway and begin. Okay. Come to a natural breath. We're going to do that again, but we're going to pick up that pace just a little bit. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out halfway. All right. And let's do it one more time. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out halfway. Good. And come to a natural breath. All right, so practice this breathing technique. Like I said, do start with your 10 rounds, 3 rounds of 10, and then build up to it as you need to. Go to 20, 30, 40, going all the way up to 108 when you're ready for it. And just watch how this helps to energize your body. Now let's come up to a standing position. We're going to move through sun salutations. So you're going to start at the top of the mat. Feet are either hip width distance or bring your big toes together. You decide what feels best for you. We're going to begin in chair pose. So start by finding your position. Stand up tall, take your gaze forward. Bend your knees, send your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Pull your belly in and lift your arms up. Good. Now bring your upper arms by your ears. Relax your shoulders. Take another breath in. Exhale, straighten your legs and fold over your thighs. Now make sure you drop your head down and just look behind you. Inhale, lift halfway up, slide your hands to your shins and lengthen your spine. Pull your belly in, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, bend your knees, plant your hands firmly under your shoulders and step back to the top of a push-up. Now, depending on your upper body strength, your knees will either be up like this or lower your knees down. Once you lower your knees down, don't walk them forward into a tabletop. They're staying behind your hips in a plank. Check out your shoulders. They should be above your wrists, okay? Now, with your knees down or up, okay, we're going to bring those shoulders slightly forward of the wrist. Bend your elbows, slowly lower your body to the ground. Flip your feet, push into your hands. Pull your chest forward and scoop up into a back bend. You can keep your elbows bent or straighten your arms, okay? Lift up through the chin, tuck your toes, and lift your hips. Come into downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up, inhale. Exhale, step it between the hands. Drop the back knee. Inhale, just walk your hands up onto your thigh here. Back toes can stay under or you can untuck the toe, you decide. Sink the hips down, lift up through your heart, reach your arms back, take your gaze up. Okay, nice deep lunge here to energize the body and to stretch your muscles. Exhale, release. Step it back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step through, drop your knee. Again, hips sink down, tailbone rocks down, lift up and reach back. Again, back toes can be untucked or tucked under, right? Sometimes if you have sensitive knees, that pressure might be too much and you need to tuck the toes. So just do you here. Exhale, release, step back to downward facing dog. All right. Now inhale, rise up on your toes and bend your knees. Look to your hands. On your exhale, either walk, step, or take a big jump to your hands. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold nice and deep. Make sure you're feeling a good stretch through the back body and bend your knees if you need to, okay? Rise up, inhale, reach your arms above your head, and exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Okay, let's move through that again. Chair pose, bend your knees, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. We're picking up the pace and moving with the breath. Inhale, halfway up, flat back, gaze down. Exhale, hands down, step back to the top of the push-up, knees up or down, bend your elbows lower, halfway or all the way down. Untuck the toes, push into your back bend, lift up through the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step through, drop your knee. Inhale, reach your arms up, lean back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step through, drop your knee. Inhale, arms rise, lean back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, up on the toes, bend your knees. Exhale, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold deep. Chair pose, inhale, sit back, arms up. Forward fold, exhale, come back down. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step. You can jump back if you want and lower halfway or all the way. Halfway is more challenging. Flip your feet over, lift your heart. Tuck your toes, downward facing. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, step through, drop the knee. Hips are low, heart is high. Inhale, reach up and back. A little further every time. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg up, inhale. Exhale, step through, drop the knee. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, up on the toes, bend your knees. Exhale, step or jump. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, can you fold a little deeper here? Chair pose, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, lengthen. So we're on number 3. If you want to jump back, you can jump and lower down. Okay, pull forward, scoop up. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step through, drop your knee. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, down dog. Okay, feeling the rhythm now. Left leg up, step it through. Every time we revisit each posture, we try to go just a little deeper to stretch the body and to increase the energy. Inhale, up on your toes. Exhale, bend your knees, float forward. Inhale, lift, and exhale, fold. Inhale, chair, number 4. Exhale, fold. Halfway up. Chaturanga Dandasana, step or jump. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg up, inhale. Step through, drop the knee. Inhale, reach, lean back. Exhale, downward dog. Left leg up. And step it through. All right, are you feeling that energy rising? Probably that heat building a little bit. Downward dog. Inhale, up on your toes, bend your knee. Exhale, step or jump to your hand. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Can you pull yourself in a little bit deeper? Chair pose, inhale, sit back. One more time, forward fold, exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, high to low, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg up, inhale. Step through, drop the knee. Exhale, inhale, arms rise. Exhale, release, down dog. Left side, inhale. Step it through, drop the knee. Inhale, arms rise. Lean back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, up on the toes, bend your knees. Exhale, step or jump. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Stand up, arms to the sky. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Good. Place one hand on your heart. One hand on your belly. Take a few deep breaths as you connect with the energy that you've just manifested in your body through this physical strength, mental strength, physical flexibility, and mental flexibility. Now you can go use this energy to do whatever you need to do from here. Namaste. I'll see you guys soon.